Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So I know a lot of family and friends out there love them some chicken gizzards. So I'm gonna go to the restaurant and order them some chicken gizzards because they want their chicken gizzards to be tasty, melt in your mouth, not in your hand, with a delicious flavor and tender. So I'm gonna show you how to do it right here at home. So we have our chicken gizzards right here. It's a couple dollars, you know, $2.92. But you know, it's that time of the year, it's Thanksgiving. So this is what we use to cook with. I also have another pack of chicken gizzards, but that's for the tomorrow video. But stay tuned for that tomorrow video. So what we're gonna do, go ahead and put them in here. You wanna clean them up, give them a nice little clean. Take you some salt. We're just using the salt to clean them. So I got salt in there, like so. You just want to look around, you know, make sure, you know, if it got too much fat in there, you pull it off. With that extra skin, fat, whatever it is. You know, you pull it off like that there. You can take a little toothbrush and scrub it also. And some of them have something like this on there. You just, you know, just peel it off. Boom, just peel it off. That's all you gotta do. Peel that little green stuff off. Boom. And just mix that salt in there. And then we're gonna take this to the sink. And we're gonna just rinse the salt off of it. Scrub it with a little toothbrush. Then we're gonna start cooking. Alright, so we have our water boiling. These chicken gizzards is nice and clean. So we're gonna go ahead and set them in this water. It's boiling water. So we ain't gonna put the timer on. We're gonna leave it in there for like 10 to 15 minutes. But we wanna wait until the water just start back boiling again. Once that boiling picks up, then we're gonna put the timer on for 10 to 15 minutes. Say 15 minutes, let it boil for 15 minutes. Okay, so the water's boiling now. We'll go ahead and set our timer for 15 minutes. Go ahead and put a top on there. Well, see you in 15 minutes. See my good family and friends in 15 minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna add a little oil. That's all we need. Okay, so now we're going to fish out the chicken gizzards. Okay. Got garlic cloves in there. Half an onion. Celery. We add our chicken gizzards. Give it a nice saute. This right here has to smell good right now. ginger. I'm gonna go ahead and saute this for a couple more minutes, about 3 minutes, and we'll get to the next. Okay, so we're gonna use 1 cup of coconut milk. We'll use a teaspoon of lemon pepper. A tablespoon of Italian seasoning. And we're going to use a 1/4 cup of oyster sauce. Mix all that in, like so. We'll add a little bit of water to it. Okay, we're going to add a tablespoon of sugar, white sugar. A little bit of 1/2 cup of water. Or 1/2 cup of water. A little measuring cup. Mix everything together. And we're going to let it simmer for about 20 minutes with the top on. So put a top on there. Okay, we have 10 more minutes left. I'm gonna add some pepper flakes in there. A teaspoon of pepper flakes. I almost forgot, we're gonna add a 1/2 of a chicken bouillon cube. Just 1/2 of it. So this one I'm using is tomato. That sauce thickening up. We have 2 minutes left. We'll add our green onions in there. Then we'll get the good food on a nice plate. I hope y'all enjoyed my video. Okay, so we back in here again, making it happen. So here we go right here. The taste test. Let's see if this is good or not. I'm not too much of a chicken gizzard fan, but we're gonna make it happen. Appreciate you. Okay, so here we go right here. Look at that chicken gizzard looking fire. And I ain't gonna lie to you, it tastes good. I'm not too much of a fan, but this is something my granny had made back in the days. We have 7 more days from Thanksgiving. So I'm just putting some good ideas out there for the good family and friends. And like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed my video. Other than that, hit that bell notification, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. God bless. Hit dice.